Guys, ito na guys ang finish kong products. Ito guys, so gulay guys, laswa, lugbati, halo-halo yan guys. Ito guys for lunch right now, for eating right now, the time of lunch right now. Ito guys, tapos na ang aking pagluluto ng ulugbati guys. Halo-halo na gulayan guys, kompleto ricado, may magic sarap, may asin, may bawang, may sibuyas. Ang ricado niya guys, halo-halo guys, marami siyang panghalo guys, may pinakas, may tuyo. Kain tayong lahat guys, the time of lunch right now, for lunch right now, the time of lunch right now. Comida comer, the Espanyol comida comer, comida Espanyol guys, comida comer. Kain tayong lahat guys, kumain tayong lahat araw-araw ng gulay pangpahaba ng buhay. Ito guys, gulay guys pang araw-araw, for everyday. Comida comer. Kain tayong lahat guys, finish to products, luto na ang aking gulay na halo-halo guys, pangpahaba ng buhay. Ito guys, so gulay pangpahaba ng buhay. Kumain tayo araw-araw para maging malusog ang ating katawan. Kumain ng gulay araw-araw, pangpaliksi, pangpahaba ng buhay. Thank you very much for watching my video for today. Maraming salamat guys sa pag-support nyo ng aking video guys. Pa-share naman at pa-comment guys. Muchas gracias. Bye bye guys. God bless you. Bye bye.